want to open this course and or enroll this series of the videos, I'm very welcome you to start learn this learning journey about the Archi 2 tutorial based on the user guide. Version is 5.6.0. Archi is a tool that can be used to make the open source, the ArchiMate, the modeling purposes. That is called is ArchiMate modeling tool. And if you follow is my YouTube channel, always go to the Udemy. So you may find this. I already have several ArchiMate related modeling courses or series of videos. The reason is I want to have this specific the tutorial is because I start to use Archi from the 2021. So until now is nearly 5 years. And when I work on the enterprise architect in the early years, we don't have our so-called is those systematically the modeling tool. After we adopt this, is we are build our growing the repository based on the ArchiMate language specification. And in the past 4 or 5 years, is I really found this Archi is our quite perfect hands-on tool. And since it is open source, is we have a very big the potential and flexibility to make that adjustment. And there's numbers of the plugin, and we can involve the more features into the vanilla Archi. So although its Archi still has some limitation, like it's not our server-based application, but it's already support our enterprise architect team is with nearly 30 or 40 different the modelers. So that is the very good experience in the past years. And but it's since I have more package the Archi-assurance, Archi-metal, and the numbers of others specific Archimate language specification discussion. I still think is if you are a new modeler and you are sitting as the no matter which architect role is and you want to work in the team to have some artifacts to be modeled. ArchiMate is our perfect the language that you can use as the common language across with your the architecture team as well as with your talking partner as the stakeholder in your enterprise. And Archi is our 100% compatible with ArchiMate and is keep the track with this latest ArchiMate specification standards. So using Archi is you get a hands-on tool and you can quickly is to make your model the working. But I still think is this is the nice the user guide published in Archi the tools the websites. But if you are our new modelers, I still think we need to have our series of this demo session to elaborate is the Archi as a tool to show you from the warming up phase to the most experienced phase. So that is the big the purpose is I want to bring through this course. So you don't need to have any the earlier background for Archi. So I will guide you is from this total 40 different sections based on this great user guide and give you the detailed hands-on and demos one by one, so that is we can have our the step-by-step learning how to use our Archi and how to internalize Archi 2 into your architect team. And this is the opening video. Is I show you this as the starting the this GitHub repository, and for people that's not easy to access GitHub, I may also synchronize this to some other repository like gt.com. So you will have that grow gradually is adding more and more is this demo experience and this material. And this is the Archi, the website. I will mention that when we go to the introduction. And I have the doc folder is which already upload this user guide, as well as you can get the user guide from the Archi the websites, and I have used the open source tool for MindMap is the free plan to track on our this the pace. So from the next video is we will go to the section 1, then this we will end to this section 40 is which is I also want to introduce something is beyond the user guide with our actual the experience, and then this you can either is a fork or is the clone is so that you can get those Archi these references, and if there's some the sections we need to build some sample models. I will starting to create subfolders based on our sections. So that is the ways we use the GitHub to track is our knowledge into this step-by-step tutorial. And also is the this is the Archi tool I already installed, but in next video is we will starting from scratch. And if there's anything is we want to mention that this coding-based Archi, because it's in the backend, the Archi model is our XML like the files. So I will also use this VS Code, which is the local copy of our Git, and I will use that to demo to you lively is if there's some the source code that we can analyze. So that is the overall is the structure and the tools I will use for this course. And if you have any questions, is welcome to drop my email address, and also is raise the post to the discussion. So then this we can have a live talk. And to save your time is I try to put is every video is just 5 to 10 minutes, no more than that. So that is also one criteria is I will try to split the videos into the different sections. So and after all is I hope is this is our nice journey, and for you to learn this tool, and then this altogether is we can also share those architecture modeling experience each other. So with that is we are finishing this opening session. So welcome, and looking forward to see you in the next video with move to the introduction. Bye for now.